At Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited, business is more than the sum of effective technologies, greater profits and awards. We seek to follow the rich community development and inclusive growth ethos of the Tata Group. Our motto, Power to the People, not only translates to offering business services, but attempt to empower the society at large as well. As part of its sustainability initiative, Tata Power Delhi Distribution has undertaken various outreach programs, which is serving the community and enriching the quality of life. Tata Power Delhi Distribution's licensed area has a sizable population residing in Jhuggi-Jhopri clusters. Tata Power Delhi Distribution organizes regular free health services, including mobile dispensaries, which offer free medical consultation and medicines to the residents of the JJ clusters. Over 34,000 people have attended the health camps and benefited from these services. Tata Power Delhi Distribution also has a unique accidental insurance policy scheme of Rs 1 lakh for its metered consumers in Jhuggi-Jhopri clusters. This helps them in case of any untoward incident and is a big financial security for their families. Tata Power Delhi Distribution regularly organizes blood donation camps in association with the Indian Red Cross Society, where employees and their relatives donate blood. Year after year, the society has recognized the contribution of our employees towards this noble endeavor. As part of its community outreach, Tata Power Delhi Distribution is also tackling the problem of drug abuse in JJ clusters and resettlement colonies. It has organized over 100 drug de-addiction camps in association with Prajapita Brahma Kumaris, and nearly 14,500 addicts have availed the facilities of these camps. Tata Power Delhi Distribution is also associated with SOS Children's Village at Bhavana and Child Home at Badli and provides free health support and logistics, including computers, television, solar panels and study materials to the children living there. For a community to be truly vibrant and consistently growing, it is necessary to empower the women of the community who are the pillars of the family. To facilitate this, Tata Power Delhi Distribution, in association with the Virmani Education Trust, is running 64 adult literacy centers in Jhuggi-Jhopri clusters and resettlement colonies. These centers provide innovative computer-based functional literacy on animated software specially designed by Tata Consultancy Services.
यहाँ पे इन्होंने ये संस्था चलाई, जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पे जो अज्ञान औरतें थी, जिनको अक्षर का ज्ञान नहीं था, पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता था, उनको बहुत से फायदे हुए.
Starting with just 2 centers, the program has scaled up to 64 centers, where close to 2,000 women attend these classes annually.
हमारे ये फायदा है, जब मैं पढ़ना लिखना कुछ आ गया है, जैसा सारे घर में अजूला होता है, जैसा हमारे दिल में भी अजूला हो गया. हमारे साथ जितने हमारे सहेलियां हैं, बहन हैं, सारे पढ़ लिख के हमारे जैसा उसका भी अभ्यास हो जाए.
Marginalized youth are trained on various livelihood generating vocational trades and courses such as electrician, plumbing, computer repairing, mobile repairing, beautician and stitching and tailoring. Tata Power Delhi Distribution currently operates 4 vocational skill training centers at Sultanpuri, Mangolpuri, Rohini, with the latest being opened at Kirti Nagar.
मेरा नाम संतोष कुमार है, मैं सुल्तानपुरी से आया हूँ. सुल्तानपुरी P4 से मैंने इलेक्ट्रिशियन का कोर्स किया. कोर्स पूरा होने के बाद छोटी मोटी काम कर लेता हूँ, और उसके बाद में यूरेका फाइबर से कॉल आया, जो कि वहाँ पे गया इंटरव्यू दिया, तो वहाँ पे हम लोगों को लमसम 15 लड़कों को काम मिल चुका है.
Over 2,500 unemployed youth from various JJ clusters have benefited from these vocational training centers.
जो कंपनी है इसमें एक अच्छी शुरुआत हुई है. पहली बात नहीं, 2-3 सेंटर मेरे ऑलरेडी पहले चला रखे हुए. मैंने सीएम के माध्यम से प्रार्थना की थी 3 साल पहले. उन्होंने मेरी इस बात को माना कि हमारा एरिया जो है बहुत गरीबी में दबा हुआ है, बेरोजगार लोग बहुत हैं, और यहाँ की बहुत सारी समस्याएं थी. उसको सारी को देखते हुए, बेरोजगारी को देखते हुए, उनके जो वोकेशनल कोर्स स्टार्ट हुए, इससे रोजगार बहुत ज़्यादा मुहैया हो जाएगा. ऑटोमेटिकली कपड़े मतलब है लोग अपने आप रोटी रोजी कमा करके खा सकेंगे, इसीलिए
कंप्यूटर कोर्सेज करवाए जाते हैं जिससे कि उन्हें आगे जॉब मिल सके।
मुझे 4 महीने हो गए हैं यहाँ पे सीखते हुए। मैं यहाँ पे सिलाई सीखती हूँ 4 महीने से, पार्ट टाइम जॉब भी करती हूँ और घर पे बाहर के कपड़े भी लेती हूँ।
ये कोर्स चलाया जा रहा है, यहाँ से सब कुछ मुझे फ़ायदा मिलता है, फ्री में सब कुछ हो रहा है। यहाँ से हमें 250 रुपये भी मिलते हैं और ये कोर्स सीखने के बाद मैं अपने घर पे जाती हूँ तो वहाँ मैं छोटे से काम कुछ भी कर लेती हूँ।
Through Rohini's New Hope Foundation, Tata Power Delhi Distribution is providing free supplementary education to over 350 children per year from the lowest strata of the society. Under its affirmative action initiatives, Tata Power Delhi Distribution has supported over 1,000 students belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribal communities. Handholding these students who come from the most underprivileged sections of the society has helped in creating amazing transformation and success stories. These students today are pursuing higher studies and professional courses, and many of them have been employed in organizations of repute.
मेरे पिताजी की मंथली इनकम इतनी नहीं थी कि वो मुझे सही मेरी पढ़ाई को पूरा कर पाते। जब मैं ITI कर रहा था तो NDFL कंपनी की तरफ से मुझे छात्रवृत्ति मिली, जिसके कारण मैं अपनी ITI की को पूरा कर सका और NDFL ने मुझे आज रोज़गार भी दिया है। NDFL ने मुझे मेरा सपना पूरा करने में काफ़ी मदद की है।
Tata Power Delhi Distribution also has an Energy Club program which aims to create awareness among school children for judicious usage of electricity and inculcate a sense of responsibility towards energy conservation. The club, which began as a pilot project in 2004, has now evolved into a mass grassroots movement with more than 650,000 students, teachers and neighbors from 190 schools in North Delhi who have been sensitized on energy conservation issues. As part of environmental sustainability initiatives, Tata Power Delhi Distribution has partnered with the Department of Forest and Wildlife Delhi as a greening agency and has so far planted over 23,000 saplings in the current year. Our commitment to community development is exemplified through our mission statement to enrich quality of life in the society that we operate in, and this lays the foundation stone of our sustainable business. Tata Power Delhi Distribution believes that working together with the community gives us a meaningful corporate existence.